is a lot of coffee. That's a lot of coffee. So let's start. This is the classic espresso. It has 54 capsules inside. And then next we have this one. This one has 16 capsules inside. So this one here is just the same with this one. Another one just like this one. This is also the same. And this is also the same. 5 boxes of these flavor. And each box has 16 capsules inside. So 16 times 5 is 80 capsules all in all. Next we have this one here is Espresso Bio. It also has 16 capsules inside. I guess my husband bought this to try this out because this is the first time I saw this flavor. And oh, they actually have a giveaway also. This is a Colomba Classica. This is a traditional Easter, more like a dessert. It is similar to panettone. Next we have, this is also espresso with 12 capsules inside. And I think we have a lot of these. So it has 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. How many cups did you buy, babe? 4, 5, 6. That's a lot of coffee. Get this. 7, 8. So for this flavor, we have 8 boxes and each box has 12 capsules inside. So 12 times 8 is 96 capsules all in all. Next, they have another giveaway. This one is, it's like a biscuit, something like that, I guess. And next, oh, this is so cute. This is like a shopping bag. This is so nice. We can use this when we do grocery shopping, and when you buy those frozen foods, you can put it here because this can store the food for it not to melt right away. I don't remember how do you call this kind of material, but we have 2 of these at home actually. Very nice. I like the color also. Next, this one. This is from Dolce Gusto this time. Oh, this one is Chocolato. So we have here Chocolato flavor. And we have 4 boxes and each box has 10 capsules. So it's 40 capsules all in all. Wow, this is also the first time that my husband got this one. Because we usually get Nesquik. It's like Milo in the Philippines or Ovaltine. Ovaltine. So next. Oh, these are for me, for sure. So we have here ginseng coffee. I would say that ginseng coffee is one of my all-time favorites. But I don't really drink it every day because I think it's not good for the health. So we have 3 packs of this and each pack has 16 capsules. So 16 times 3 is 48. 48 capsules for ginseng coffee. Last one. So this is the last one. So we have here, I know what are the differences of this. I just think that it differs in the intensity of the coffee because I just saw that the numbers here of the intensity changes. Also the color of the box actually. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we have 5 boxes of this flavor. And each box has 16 capsules also. So 16 times 5 is 90 capsules all in all. Oh my goodness, this is a lot of coffee. So we usually buy our coffees online and have it delivered at home. Because I guess you can save more if you do it this way. Just buy a bunch of coffee instead of buying single boxes in the supermarket. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching these videos. And if you did, please give this a thumbs up. And please subscribe if you haven't yet already. And yeah, see you in my next one. Bye!